how to end snooze on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, okay, you can see here the preferences. In preferences, you can see the content preferences. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in content preferences, you can see the snooze. So you can snooze people page and group to temporarily stop seeing their post. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to end the snooze. Okay, you'll have to do stop the snooze. And you can see here the list of snooze. And okay guys, here I have 2 snooze here. So if the snooze is enable, so snooze people page and group to stop seeing their post in feed for 30 days. So to end the snooze, okay, you'll have to tap the end button on the right side. So another one, tap the button on the right side to end the snooze or stop. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully end snooze on Facebook account. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.